Hi there, Kira here, and I've got a unboxing video today. So I got my very first kit from the Secret Not Secret Club, and this kit club is owned by my friend Christina, who I do Stitch It Sunday with once a month, and I wanted to get a kit from her. I'd seen all these other kits that people had, and I was just really curious to see what kind of kit she could put together for me. So this is my very first kit, and I have not opened anything yet. I've only seen a sneak that she sent me, but I haven't seen anything else. So let's jump right in and see. Oh, what a cute card. A little pineapple on it. Oh, I got a little coupon. I don't know what that's for, but okay. It says, Kira, I am so excited that you have joined our Secret Not Secret Kit Club family. I hope that you love your very first kit, and I absolutely cannot wait to see what you create. XOXO Christina. P.S. I threw in that bird paper for a reference for your inspiration. It's beautiful, so who doesn't need an extra? So I had told her that I wanted a kit that was had the same feel as this paper from a collection. And I'll show you guys. I'll dig right in and show you what I meant, or what paper I was talking about. All right. Move that aside. Okay, we'll start with the papers and then move on to embellishments. So I had told her that I was in love with this paper from the Good Vibes collection. The paper's called All Good, and it's got these cute little birds and flowers all over it, and I just love this paper. I love the colors of this paper. I just love this, like, the fun kind of feel of this paper, just the whole vibe that this paper has. I love. So I basically told her, create a kit that gives the same feeling as this paper, the same colors, the same everything. So this is a paper that was kind of the jumping off point for my kit. The reverse side is a really pretty polka dot craft, which is a nice neutral. And now that I have two pieces of it, because I already have this paper in my stash because I love it so much, but now that I have two pieces of it, I can use this as a background if I wanted. And sorry if you hear my kids in the background, but they're playing with Daddy right now, so we're gonna let them play so they don't bug Mama. All right, so the next paper, I love this color. So it's really pretty teal color. And the reverse side has this pattern, which is really pretty. And I like the green in this too, but I'm definitely more drawn to this side here. So this is from the Vicki Boutin All the Good Things collection, and the paper is called The Little Things. So we're gonna go with that side because I like that side best. The next paper is like pink with an XO pattern. Oh, but that side's really cute. So this is a Dear Lizzie paper from Serendipity, and the paper is called Ooh La La. So really cute. Okay, so we'll do that one there. Also from the Good Vibes collection is this paper called Passion. And I just received this in my Citrus Twist kit, so now I have two of this paper, which is great because I think it's a great paper as well. We'll do that side. This is from a Maggie Holmes paper pad. So this is from Gather, I think. This is one of my favorite papers from that collection, though. So I had that paper pad, but I think I used both of those pieces. Crate paper from, this is from the new Here and There collection. This is cute. This one's called Express, and it's got the months of the year, and like basically a little calendar. That's really cute. I might actually have an idea for that because I really like that. Okay, so that's cute. This is really cute paper too. So this is also from the Here and There collection, and this one's called Traveler. I love this pattern here. Ooh, that's pretty too. Oh, tough one, tough one. I think I like that side better. Cute. Okay, so those are my papers. For Christina's kits, you can opt to get a mixed media element in your kit if you would like. Since I am trying to expand my mixed media-ness, I guess, I said that yes, I wanted some mixed media. The thing that I told her, because she asked, you know, what kind of products I have, and I don't have any shimmers products. I have a couple like Heidi Swap Color Shine mists, I have watercolors and gelatos, and that's it. But I don't have any texture paste, so I told her I didn't have any texture paste. So I got some whipped spackle, so that'll be fun to play with. I'm really excited about that. Let's look in these little baggies. Ooh, fun. So Christina knows me. She knows my style, which is kind of nice because I don't really have to tell her the things that I love, but she knows I love texture, any sort of texture element, and I love this like pom-pom trim. Look how perfectly that matches too. That's wonderful. And then look at that. What a cool piece of ribbon. Oh, that's gonna be great to play with too. Love that. And then these are from the new Here and There collection from Create Paper, and teal, which is my favorite color, but they're like layered tassels. They're so cool. I love those. So those are gonna be super fun to play with. Love that. Let's look in this baggie now. All right, so we got some felt pieces here. Again, I love any additional texture. And then some ephemera pieces. Cute. Cute. All right, so that's gonna be fun to use. I love these little bags because I'm totally gonna use those in my scrapping too. Okay, so from the Vicky Bouton collection, we've got a couple embellishments. So these are like some enamel dots and then like some epoxy stickers here. And then these are like little raised little banners, which are really cute too. So those will be fun to use. A little alpha sticker sheet, pink, which will be perfect. Ooh, some 6x6 papers. Oh, I love these little envelopes and postcards. That's adorable. I love the yellow, the green. Ooh, that one's really pretty. Oh, and that'll be perfect to fussy cut out. Love those. Some pretty little studio labels, which will be really fun to use. I love the colors, gorgeous. Ooh, another little baggie of goodness. Oh, guys, look at this. Oh, look at the embroidery thread. So, of course, Christina knows that I love to stitch on my layouts, and because we have our Stitch It Sunday that we do. So, of course, she had to include some embroidery thread for me. So, I love this. I love that the colors match perfectly. I don't have to, like, because usually I bring like a picture to the store to try and color match threads. So this is great. I don't have to do that for any of my projects using this kit. It's awesome. And then a stencil. This is my very first stencil, you guys. I'm so excited. So I told her, I said I don't have any stencils, I don't have any texture paste. Those are the mixed media things I do not have and I've never tried. So this one's gorgeous. It's like little hanging pieces and a feather. It's really cute. This, oh, that's really fun. You see that? Let me put that paper behind that so you can see. That's a really fun one. And then I love this. I love this little like scripty one. I think you can have so much fun with that. So cute. Oh, I'm so excited to play. Okay, so I got stencils. And then the last thing is this alpha sheet. It's like some mint alphas. And this is from Kaiser Craft. And it's super cute. So that'll go perfectly with this. So there you have it. My very first Secret Not Secret Kit Club kit. And I'm really excited to start playing with it. And I will hopefully make some process videos so you guys can see me using my items for my kit. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And I will talk to you guys later. Okay, bye.